Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in this guide, I'm going to show you how to join a Roblox Discord server. So joining a Discord server allows you to become a part of Roblox community, connect with other players, and participate in various server activities. So first, you need to go ahead and open your Discord application, or you can also go to the web browser, search for discord.com and log into your specific account. Now, once it is open, you need to look at the left-hand side of the screen and select this plus icon that is indicating add a server. Then scroll down to the bottom where it says already have an invite, click and join on the server. Here, you'll get the box where you need to go ahead and enter or paste the invite link. And in the case, if you do not have an invite, select this option, then go to the search bar and search for Roblox. You'll get a Roblox unofficial Discord server. Go ahead and select it. Then select Join Roblox in the top of the screen. Go through a verification process. Click on Next and follow the on-screen instructions. So you've successfully joined the server. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.